Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel A3, and today I will show you how to move photos to an SD card. So you have actually a couple things you can do. When you put in the SIM card, the memory card, you'll have an option to actually change the default write directory. So just gonna push it in and you'll get this. So SD card ready, change the default write disk, and you can then select yes. And whenever you take photos or anything, you just switch it here. It will automatically be saved on the SD card. And you can also, to move the photos, you go into the apps and find the files app. So let's scroll down, and it's right here, this folder icon. Okay, and from here you see both the phone memory and the SD card. And all you can do now is just, let's say, select photos. So there are two photos, as you can see, and all you need to do is hold it. Then you want to, for instance, either cut or copy, depending what you want to do. If you want to move it and remove it from your phone and move it solely to the SD card, or if you want to make a copy of it and have it in both places. I'm just gonna select cut to move it, and then I can go back to SD card and see pictures. I can choose where I want to move it, and I could just drop it right here, and as you can see now it's moved. And if I go back to the photos, you can see that it's gone from here. There's only one left. So that is how you would move the photos and also change the default write disk. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.